Workshop 2, resonating on Are You Solving the Right Problem? The workshop centered on guiding participants to ensure their solutions effectively address real customer needs. Sessions included value proposition development, viral milestone planning, and product demos, alongside peer due diligence and customer discovery. Participants also delved into market mapping, investability planning, and foundational financial narratives. The workshop concluded with strategic planning through the one-page strategic plan OPSP and a trial ranking to assess each team's readiness for growth.
PesaTech Accelerator, cohort 2, and in this workshop we'll deep dive to help you to understand your value proposition, to do the peer due diligence for each other's business, and help each other's business to strengthening their capacity to understand their own businesses, but also to understand the investor's perspective behind their own business.
Well, that's pretty we focus on mainly on the benefits.
Actually is the mentorship and the networking, because we believe that all entrepreneurs have different ideas, have different expansion knowledge. So we joined PesaTech Acceleration, so just to get the mentorship and to get the networking system in our ecosystem.
What drives me to become a trainer for PesaTech is the passion that I have for innovation and technology, because I believe that innovation and technology contribute so much in improving our lives, because through technology and innovation, we're able to come up with various products and services that improve lives of people in the community. So whatever products that will come first go into my bucket. We have the technical and technical teams, and I'll be happy to answer any, those quick questions on how that information can get
What kind of the customers actually repeating? So as a startup in Tanzania, we are still growing, we are still learning, and to be able to reach the heights where we want to reach, we need network, we need knowledge, we need information on how to manage and grow businesses. And we believe PesaTech is a great pioneer in ensuring that Tanzanian startups can succeed. And so that's why we applied, and here we are today at PesaTech. To grow a business without reflecting on your current position, without knowing where you are today, it's very difficult to project where you will be next. So from the program, we have actually understood really the position where we are today as Swahilis, and what should we have to be able to grow our company in the next phase.
The expectation is I already know what she's doing. I want to see.
Looking for funds, it's a bit hard getting investments at hand, but getting grants from PesaTech Accelerator, as long as you're post-revenue startup, your due diligence is doing well, then it was a very exciting information for us to get and for us to join the PesaTech Accelerator.
So we are planning to sit together as a company, reflect on where we are today, and plan for growth.